You know, I feel like this game is more fun now that we're not all doing terribly. Well, all but...
I just rolled... What the fuck? What the fuck?
What's happening?
So for context, by the way, I am playing Amazon. Amazon gets to roll 2 dice to move. I just rolled double ones. So I was like, okay, well, I'll re-roll one of the ones. And I got another 1. Man, this game just has weighted dice, huh? Let's see how Candle does.
Sportacus in this world is actually Phoebus and Deimos. Well, I'm off to have ghost adventures.
I can't wait for you to die to a one-craft monster as well. Oh. Oh! Oh!
What the fuck happened to you?
What the fuck?
I tabbed back in and I see this.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
What have you done?
We are number 1!
What have you done?
Oh my
I have
god!
alerted the Horde.
You have alerted the Horde. Holy
So,
fuck!